When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others down and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters all the night, and unto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite. Play the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you standing a wishing. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others down and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others down and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life.
Hey guys, welcome everyone. So I see some new faces and some returning faces. So I just want to go through again just real quickly what this is about. Alan is here to help and facilitate and make this an awesome experience. First thing we want to do is find research. Again, maybe you guys are finding your own research. You're more than welcome to. So all of a sudden, I'm looking at that and I'm looking at the black and white, and I'm going, hey, that's kind of cool. That's a panda aspect. There's a cool little tie thing going on there. And I'm even looking at even hairstyles. I'm looking, oh, that's cool. Look at the change in color of the hairstyle. She's a female. She's a barber, so she's probably going to want to do something with her hair. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask away.
I do have one.
Yes. State your name before you ask the question so I know who I'm talking to.
Oh, sorry. This is Andrew.
Hey, Andrew. How's it going?
Pretty good.
Good. Just how determined, how willing are you to think outside of the box and go above and beyond? And I think that's going to be just extremely important. And that's going to make the difference between someone who can succeed in this, because not everyone's going to get a job in the industry. It's just not going to happen. It's reality. There's not only, I don't want to say that there's so much going on right now in the industry. For the artist that is prepared, for the artist that is diligent, for the artist that is good, for the artist that goes above and beyond and has the right portfolio.
All right, Steven, we have our first drawing just came into the Dropbox.
All right. Let me go over to that. So I'm going to share my screen with you.
Hi.
Hello. All right. So I'm liking where you're going with these little practices through here are cool. There is something really fun and unique about this. I love that shape that you're playing with there, and she feels kind of young to me.
So anyway, all of your names are here. I'm going to click the first spin and let's see who is the first lucky artist of the day. Here we go. The first chosen artist is Reedy.
So some good things. I think this whole balance and everything is working a lot better for me from your drawings through there. I think so even here, like we might think about what is the actual, that head shape. We know that head's kind of turning in this direction. Got to free your mind, otherwise you're going to go absolutely crazy, be angry, and you will do nothing. So that's what I want to leave you guys with. Thank you guys so much again. Alan, thank you. And keep an eye out for that email.
Do your own math and learn from the stuff that you are missing. Create your own path with your own vision.